The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We are in Wichita today. We're at one of my favorite places. We're at Stutzman's. We're at their Tyler location today. Always great to see Ben Miller, full of insight and knowledge every single week. Thanks for being with us.
But we love what we do.
I know of
we
that.
have a passion for what we do.
You do.
And hopefully that comes through that way.
It does.
You know,
it does.
being in this thing for over 40 years, we see a lot of changes and things in the market, but it's also in product.
Yeah.
And something we started here a number of years ago, actually, as we were developing our seasonal garden centers, because we are open literally from, we talk from freeze to freeze.
Yeah.
As we come into the summer months, we transition from the spring plant material that we grow into what we refer to as very heat tolerant plant material. And it's not that some of the things that we have in spring don't do well in the summer. You often have enough time to get established a little bit more, but what we have for the summer, it can be 100 degrees, no problem. You can go ahead and get it planted.
Yeah.
But we grow a whole series of little larger annuals, some of the proven winners, a lot of lantanas, a lot of vincas, a lot of color, in a 5.5-inch pot, which is a little larger root system to establish. And of course, patio planters and everything like that is just a whole new flair, if you will.
Always fun when we go from spring to summer and seeing the transition here at Stutzman's. What do you have in front of us?
Well, right now, of course, asparagus ferning can go almost anywhere.
Yeah.
We run it a lot in very high light, so you take it home, it should do very well. A real staple for our heat in Kansas is the lantana, and of course they'll come in all different types of colors and things. And of course, probably the number one is the periwinkle or vinca, and a lot of different varieties there in colors, from trailing type, more upright type. But you're going to find just a plethora of beautiful stuff as spring comes, or as the summer program comes on.
So many options here at Stutzman's, and if you ever have any questions, any of the managers at any of the locations, more than happy to help you out with what you're looking for. Or maybe you'll see Ben at one of the locations that you're at.
Lucky.
You might be.
I don't know about lucky, but
you'd be very lucky
happens.
to see you. How can people get more information about Stutzman's?
You know, always go to Stutzmans.com, or if you have a specific question, this is often pretty cool. If you take a picture of something, go to questions@Stutzmans.com. Jason French, our manager in Pleasant View, who does the Stutzman's Home and Garden Show, will get back with you. He's amazing at identifying things like that.
He does a great job responding to every single email that he gets. Ben, thanks for being with us today. We appreciate it.
You guys.
Yep, we have more Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
It's been so wonderful to receive the much-needed rain and watch our landscapes flourish this spring. Hi, this is Ben Miller. On behalf of all of us at Stutzman's, I want to thank everyone who has shared our passion and the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Be sure to visit our garden centers, as each location will be featuring an in-store manager special of their choice. We'll see you at one of our 12 garden centers in central and western Kansas. Find us on Facebook and Stutzmans.com. Happy savings.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green with